I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to add the flash and live photo indicators back into the camera app on your Apple iPhone or iPad. And to be clear, this option will only be available if you are using iOS 26 or newer on your Apple device. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad and then tap Camera in this menu. Step 2. Scroll down to the Composition section and then tap Indicators. Associated options are displayed. Step 3. Find the Photo section and then tap to toggle on Flash and Live Photo. Both of these indicators will now be visible in the Camera app on your iPhone or iPad. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.